Hey there. Welcome to Public Health Concern Nepal, where we bring you clear and practical advice for your health and well-being. Today, we're tackling an essential topic that's vital for everyone: condoms. Whether you're new to using them or just want to make sure you're doing it right, this video is for you. We'll be breaking down everything you need to know about condoms, from how to use them properly to the different types available. Stick with us, and by the end of this video, you'll feel confident and informed about this crucial aspect of sexual health. Let's dive into a topic that's crucial, yet often overlooked: how to use a condom correctly. Let's break it down step by step to ensure you're getting it right every time. First things first, always check the expiration date on the condom package. Expired condoms can be less effective and more prone to breaking. Got a fresh one? Great. Now, open the package carefully. Don't use your teeth or scissors. You don't want to risk tearing the condom. Next, make sure the condom is right side up. It should look like a little hat. Pinch the tip to leave a bit of space for semen. This step is crucial to prevent the condom from bursting. Place it on the head of the erect penis and roll it down to the base. If it doesn't unroll easily, it's probably upside down. In that case, throw it away and start with a new one. After intercourse, hold the base of the condom while pulling out. This helps prevent it from slipping off. Dispose of the condom in the trash, not the toilet. Flushing can cause blockages and environmental harm. Now let's talk types. There are several types of condoms, each with its own benefits. Latex condoms are the most common. They're affordable and effective at preventing both pregnancy and STIs. However, if you're allergic to latex, polyurethane or polyisoprene condoms are excellent alternatives. They're just as effective and provide a similar feel. For added sensation, there are ribbed or dotted condoms. These can enhance pleasure for both partners. And if you're looking for extra protection, consider using a condom with spermicide. This type has a chemical that kills sperm, adding an extra layer of pregnancy prevention. Condoms are dual purpose. They protect against unwanted pregnancies and sexually transmitted infections. When used correctly, they're about 98% effective at preventing pregnancy. That's pretty impressive. Remember, communication with your partner is key. Discussing condom use beforehand can make the experience smoother and more comfortable. And don't forget, practice makes perfect. So, don't be shy about practicing putting one on before the heat of the moment. Alright folks, that wraps up our guide on how to use a condom correctly. That's it for today's guide on condoms. Everything you need to know about using them correctly and choosing the right type for you. Remember, safe sex is not just about protection. It's about taking control of your health and well-being. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe to PHC-Nepal for more practical tips and health advice. Stay safe, stay informed, and take control of your sexual health. See you next time, PHC-Nepal. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.